Are stock charts confusing you? Do those red and green candles look more like random scribbles than signals of wealth? Welcome to Money Mind USA, where we break down complex financial topics into simple, actionable knowledge so you can take control of your financial future. Today's topic is a game changer: how to read stock charts like a pro. Because the truth is, smart investors don't just buy stocks, they read them first. And if you can read a stock chart, you can unlock powerful opportunities long before everyone else catches on. So grab your notepad, because we're diving deep. Stock charts are not just visual graphs, they are the heartbeat of the financial market. Every price move is a reflection of trader psychology, market demand and supply, and economic signals. Think of a stock chart as a storyboard. Each candle is a chapter, each pattern is a plot twist. Why they matter? They help you understand when to enter or exit a stock. They show trends forming long before media headlines. They reveal key psychological zones where traders take action. News tells you what happened, charts tell you what's about to happen. Let's break down the three major types of stock charts. First, line charts. They are the simplest type, connecting the closing price of each time period with a line. Good for long-term views, but they lack detail. Next, bar charts. They show open, high, low, and close prices, often called OHLC. More data, but harder to read quickly. Finally, candlestick charts. These are the most popular with traders. They are colorful and easy to analyze. Each candle gives you a story of price action. Use candlestick charts, they combine clarity with power. Most pro traders prefer candles because they show emotion, fear, greed, hesitation, all wrapped in color and shape. Let's understand how candlesticks work. Each candle shows the open price, close price, and high and low within the time frame. A green candle means the price closed higher than it opened. A red candle means the price closed lower than it opened. Must know candlestick patterns. Doji signals market indecision and is often a turning point. Hammer is a bullish reversal at the bottom of a trend. Shooting star is a bearish reversal after a sharp uptrend. Bullish bearish engulfing indicates a momentum shift in price direction. One candlestick can whisper a secret, but a pattern can shout a fortune. Support and resistance are levels where price tends to stop and reverse. Support is a level where buying interest is strong enough to prevent the price from falling further. Resistance, on the other hand, is a level where selling interest is strong enough to cap price growth. These zones are psychological battlegrounds where bulls and bears fight it out. How to use them? Well, you buy near support and sell near resistance. Watch for breakouts, which occur when the price breaks through these zones with volume. Remember, support and resistance aren't just lines, they're emotional turning points. Every pro lives by this. The trend is your friend, until it ends. There are three types of trends. Uptrend, which has higher highs and higher lows. Downtrend, which has lower highs and lower lows. And sideways or range-bound, where there is no clear direction. How do you spot trends? Use trend lines to connect key highs and lows and moving averages to smooth price direction. A key tip: in an uptrend, look for buying opportunities. In a downtrend, avoid longs or look for shorting chances. Amateurs chase price, pros chase trends. Indicators are tools that help you understand momentum, strength, and signals in price action. Here are the top indicators you must know. Moving averages, or MA, show the average price over time. The 50-day MA is for short to medium term, while the 200-day MA is for long-term trends. RSI, or Relative Strength Index, ranges from 0 to 100. When it's above 70, the price might be overbought and could fall. When it's below 30, the price might be oversold and could rise. MACD, or Moving Average Convergence Divergence, measures momentum. Signal line crossovers can indicate entry or exit points. Volume confirms the strength of a move. Rising volume with price movement indicates a stronger signal. Don't clutter your screen. Use 2 to 3 indicators max. Indicators don't make the decision, they confirm it. Patterns are powerful signals when confirmed by volume and trend. Let's talk about some powerful chart patterns. First, we have the head and shoulders, which is a bearish reversal. Then there's the inverse head and shoulders, indicating a bullish reversal. We also have the double top and double bottom, which signal reversals at major zones. Another important pattern is the ascending triangle, known as a breakout pattern. Lastly, the cup and handle is a bullish setup for long-term moves. Combine pattern recognition with RSI or MACD for confirmation. Patterns are the fingerprints of future price moves. The time frame you choose affects how you read the chart. 1 minute to 15-minute charts are for day traders. 1 hour to 4 hour charts are for swing traders. Daily to weekly charts are for long-term investors. A smart strategy is to use higher time frames for big picture direction and lower time frames for precise entry. Remember, zoom out to see the war, zoom in to win the battle. Knowledge is power, but mindset is your real weapon. Here are some golden rules. Always use stop losses. Risk only 1 to 2% of your capital per trade, never trade based on emotion or hype, and follow your strategy, not your feelings. Journaling your trades helps you grow. Your mindset reads the chart better than any indicator. These platforms help you apply everything we discussed. TradingView is clean, powerful, and has tons of indicators. Thinkorswim is excellent for options and charting. MetaTrader is popular in Forex. FinViz is great for screeners and pattern scanning. Yahoo Finance is useful for quick stock lookups. Use alerts to catch breakouts without staring at charts all day. Let's bring it all together. Here's an example pro strategy. Identify a bullish flag pattern on a daily chart, confirm the uptrend with the 50 moving average, check the RSI, it should be between 40 and 60, watch for a volume breakout above resistance and set your entry, stop loss, and profit target. This is how pros prepare instead of predict. Master chart reading and you're no longer reacting to the market, you're anticipating it. You've just unlocked the full guide on how to read stock charts like a pro. But here's the thing, knowledge is only power when applied, so practice, backtest and grow. And remember, every dip tells a story, every breakout is an opportunity, and every chart is a map to potential profit. If you found value in this, smash that like button, subscribe to MoneyMind USA, and drop a comment chart master. If you're ready to level up your trading, read the charts, master the game, build your fortune. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep that money mind sharp.